Animal Caution Signs, written by Craig Frederick. Focus question: what are animal caution signs and why are they important? Words to know: cattle, caution, elephants, kangaroos, turtles. Watch. Connections: writing and art. Make a new animal caution sign for this book. Draw a picture and label it. Caution: watch for science. How are the animals in this book alike? How are they different? Share your answers with a partner. Caution: watch for dogs. Caution: watch for cattle. Caution: watch for deer. Caution: watch for moose. Caution: watch for kangaroos. Caution: watch for elephants. Caution: watch for monkeys. Caution: watch for turtles. Caution: watch for chickens. Caution: watch for animals.